Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your account. So go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on your profile. And from here, you want to look towards the right hand side, you'll find your email address. Now click on that, you'll receive a pop-up that gives you the option to enter your new email address. You want to just go ahead and start typing that email address. And here you just need to go ahead and click on confirm, send a notification to that email address that you have to verify it. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. If I type in my full email address, I'm going to block it out for the purpose of security reason. Then I'm going to click confirm. You will see right here that it's going to ask me to, basically log into my account. So I'm going to click on that again, and you will see that when I sign back into my account, you will see that it says that we have sent a confirmation to the email address at the top for me to confirm it. And as you can see right here, it changed, right? But it is not, it's under the pending confirmation. So that is not changed. So if I want to confirm this, it's going to change my email address fully. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will leave it as is. I'll just cancel that and keep my previous email. But that's the general way how you change it. Click on it, enter the new email address, confirm it, send a notification, go to that email and confirm it, and then it's going to change for you. Very easy and very simple.